America chimes. That's the sound of freedom right there. Absolutely. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're just going to do a quick video today. Another one kind of like when I did the wax removal video. We are going to see, this is our new camper, which I haven't shown you guys yet. Let me show you just real quick. It's a 26 footer. All the way back to my garage. These tires sat in mud for a while. As you can see, it is caked on. I mean, it's pretty bad. What we're going to do, we're going to see a super clean aerosol. This is the can that Jason Davis just sent me in the live stream this past Saturday. I'm making this video on Wednesday night, August 28th. So tomorrow this video will come out. We're going to see if we can do this without touching it, without scrubbing. We're going to spray it on there. We're going to let it sit. We're going to see how well it cleans with no agitation. Like I said, quick video. Let's just see how good this is. Now, Super Clean did send me some products, but that's not what this product right here is. This is from Jason Davis, so it's not a sponsored video. Alrighty. I like to go around once on the outside, and I go around once on the inside, and then I kind of just go over it one more time. That's how I do it with regular tire cleaners anyways. As you can see, you guys, it's starting to turn brown already. I'm curious how this is going to work. I may still have to agitate it, I don't know. But we're going to find out. Because the other side, this is the side, I bought this camper off Curb Appeal Lawn Care. He's a YouTube channel, go check his channel out. This is the side that was sitting in his driveway when we got all this rain this spring, and it actually sunk down, and he couldn't get it out. It was stuck in the mud, and it got mud all over the tires. So we can use this one to go off of once we clean this one right here. But as you can see, I mean, it is pulling the brown right off. I'm so glad Papa Smurf 918 sent me this product. A few weeks ago I used it for the first time. I've already been through that bottle. So now I'm on to the one Jason Davis sent me. I got the best subscribers in the world, man. I love my FAB family. You guys are awesome. We're going to give it another minute or so. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video. If I do need to agitate it, I'll probably do that and then show you guys the finished results. But let's just see what happens if we just spray it on and hose it off. Hope you guys are enjoying the sound of nature and the sound of freedom in the background, because I'm not putting this in a time lapse. Alright, I think we're going to go ahead and hose it off. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Pretty nasty. At the bottom there. Yep, pretty nasty. Don't want it to dry though. We're going to hose it off, and then I will dry it off with my Echo blower, so I will put that in a quick time lapse. Definitely did not get rid of all of it, but that stuff was caked on there. Alright, so you're going to have to agitate, but this was just to see. See what the surface looks like. There's definitely still some dirt in it. It did get rid of a lot of it though. Remember, it looked like that. So, I'll put this in a time lapse. I'll clean it really quick so you guys can see what it looks like when it's actually agitated and cleaned properly. This video is basically just for fun. And by the way, don't forget, you guys, there's no live stream this weekend coming up. Labor Day weekend, no live stream. Me and the family are going to be doing stuff. Now obviously I missed with my brush these grooves, as you can see. You know, I didn't go up and down, I should have. But as far as the parts that I cleaned, the tire looks great. Now I am getting rid of these tires, that's why I don't care what I do to them, because of these cracks right here. See it? They're dry rot and cracked all the way through before we ever tow this thing. Actually, we might take a short trip this weekend here close in town that I don't have to worry about. But yeah, I gotta go up and down right there. But let me show you what I did on the other side. This side over here wasn't nearly as dirty because it wasn't stuck in the mud. And I used the super clean on that as well. See, it looks pretty good. Not bad, just for one time scrubbing, that's it. These tires have been sitting. These were like reddish colored when I did these. But here I give you just a quick view before and after. It works really good. Now I'm gonna go ahead off camera. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get in these letters just because I'm anal like that, even though I'm getting rid of these tires. That just drives me nuts. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just want to see how good Super Clean was by itself with no agitation. As you saw, it did get rid of a lot of the dirt and grime that was on the wheel or the tire, but it needs agitation for sure if it's really dirty. If it's not real dirty, you can probably get away with just spraying it on and hosing it off. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you guys in the next one.